How to change language on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change language on YouTube. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch YouTube application on your device. Make sure to log into your account and update your YouTube app to the latest version. Now, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and select gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Now choose the option for General at top of the screen under your account and locate App Language option. Select it. Currently, it has been set to English. Under All Languages, you will see all the list of the languages available to change for this app. You can select any one as per your convenience. For me, it's English language, so I have chosen English. You can tap any of this language and then your app language on YouTube will be changed. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.